Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a team member to Fathom Video. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you work with other individuals and you want all of your team's calls to be on Fathom Video so that you can read the summaries, you can see the notes. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, when you first log into Fathom and then click on Team Calls, this tab here, you'll see that you actually are opted to start a 14-day free trial for Fathom Team Edition. So this is how I found out that Fathom actually has a team plan where it's $14 a month per user and it's a minimum of 2 users. But essentially all your team's calls will be shared, playlists from the highlights from teams meetings will be there, and teams will be able to collaborate using comments, folders, keywords, alerts, and more. So essentially, in order to invite someone to your Fathom team, you will need to upgrade, and there is a 14-day free trial, but I essentially learned that myself, and that's how I found out. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add team members to your Fathom Video. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.